Good morning. Well, we've hopped out of the storm tracker. We're in Chaplin right now, and as you can see, some horrible conditions right here. Firefighters working to put out a fire here on Willimantic Road again in Chaplin. Now, at this point, it looks like the fire is mostly contained. We're not seeing any big flames, but we are still seeing some smoke. Of course, on the front of the house towards the roof, you can see some of the siding is charred, as well as the side of the house here. Looks like firefighters had to blow out those windows in order to get this fire put out. Now, this fire was first reported right before 7 o'clock this morning, so firefighters have been out here for quite some time. It took us quite a long time, almost 2 hours, to get from where we were in the New London area to here in Chaplin, just because of those road conditions. So fire crews out here are still working to get a better handle on this, make sure all of those hot spots are out. At this point, we are still not sure about any injuries. We're not sure if anyone was inside the house at the time of this fire. But take a look at Willimantic Road here right now. Obviously, there's a big scene between police and firefighters as well. The road conditions are not ideal as well. So one lane is open right now on Willimantic Road, which is a well-traveled road. This is right off of a main road. So if drivers are coming in the area, you have to take it extremely slow, not only because of these road conditions, but because of the scene that's here as well, with the fire crews that are walking out and about doing their investigation to try to figure out exactly what caused this fire. We are working to get more information from the fire department. We'll continue to keep you updated, of course, on air, online, and on Fox 61 Plus as well. But for now, live in Chaplin this morning, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.